Sunset fire on carbon skin, throttle wide where legends begin. No crowd, no smoke, just wind and speed. I'm not chasing fame, I chase the need.
Sharp like blades, adrenaline and endless spades. Rubber burns, the dust cascades, chasing dreams the sun invades. VTEC screams a symphony, turbo sings the melody. Twist and turn my destiny, carving roads eternally. Grip the wheel, the edge I taste, every shift, no time to waste. Chasing sunsets, fiery grace, dangers line my heart embraced. track, speed dissolves the static facts. Gravity bends, the ties contract. Grip like promises, no slack. Echoed pings of shifting gears. Silence drowns in roaring cheers. Every curve defying fears. Through the smoke my mind appears. VTEC screams a symphony. Turbo sings the melody. Twist and turn my destiny. Carving roads eternally. Grip the wheel, the edge I taste. Every shift, no time to waste. Chasing sunsets, fiery grace. Dangers line my heart embrace. Final stretch, the summit calls. Shadow races, distance falls. Breathless peaks, my soul enthralls. Victory's pulse within the walls.